Today, I'm going to show you the ultimate solution for old games not running on Windows 10 or when you face a lot of problems trying to run them. First solution, very simple. There are some games that only run on a resolution of 640 by 480. For example, if a game doesn't run, right-click on the game, choose Properties, go to Compatibility, check the option for 640 by 480 resolution, then click Apply. The game should work immediately. Second solution. There's another type of problem where the game either shows broken colors or doesn't run at all because of color settings. Do the same previous steps. Right-click on the game, Properties, Compatibility, enable the 640 by 480 resolution option again, then also check the option below and set it to 16-bit color. Click Apply, and the game should work fine. Third solution. If the game doesn't respond or won't open, go to Windows Search, type Control Panel, Open Programs, then go to Windows Features. Find the option, enable it, expand it, and check DirectPlay. Then click OK. There's one more step. Right-click the game, Properties, Advanced, Settings, go to Data Execution Prevention. Select the second option, then add the game application itself. Finally, click Apply. After that, you must restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Important programs. If the problem is that required game components are missing, there's a tool called All-in-One Runtimes. I'll leave the download link in the description. Download and install it. It includes all the essential components needed to run games. Finally, don't forget to like the video. It really helps us a lot. Thank you.